Mo Kulai Champawar ADC constituency, Moke Jiolsar ADC village. Asung Jiolsar ADC village ni Pula Thangka aro tui crisis ni kaisa para bini Nokul para orobo ayang northern part aro pray 20 families of tongnai aro tui pipeline do sogya aro Jal Jeevan mission ni kaisa water angko supply aro install ngka ke aro ni executive engineer ni office ni koksa junior engineer tama bung dipu saha bai kok khalakya gang sangka inquiry khlaka tan bage ain northern part ni je household tong bongar tangi ti sogya ga pipeline je hetu odek bu khaje ka bo complete khlainai boraro house to house tui songnan bage nai kok saka ke bo assurance khlaka je within 7 days bo abono solve khlainai ga tini mo visit khlaiman ka public rungni je gram amsayo sini parawa village rogo je problem tomuni basically abono sing inquiry khainan bage tini sing oro sini ti pramotani sini ambasa block ni leader sok bai oro ang visit khlaka kya logibo to mo sini ramlal molsom bo block president plus bo former zonal development ni chairman tai sini ambasa ni sub zonal ni joint chairman sini Bishopati Deborma Raju Chandra Joma Riang sini Joseph Halam Sumit Netai Sanjeev Riang Kaji Rai Riang Koro Paran Mungke Monasai Para Dabuk jekhane sing koksai tongo oro bahaino lama belai khano thanglai sun problem oro tai 25 family chango singchrai khonai ro tai boro bazar huzar phaini mukitin thagi tin tui phaini belai khano cost belai khano problem or route on bagai sini Kaji Rai Riang khano chaka oro sing visit khlai ka dabu kabone improve khanan bagi nai ADC no basung appeal khainai ang CM bai koks lainai apart from that state government of boro ang letter seneje o kaji inko parabo immediately more route formation ba route improve khanan bagi nai dorkar obono ang state government bai koks lain tai in person ang letter bo sinai request khainai tini mo visit je ang assess khlaiga je abun logibo kaisa je Netaji Subhash Chandra Abbas hostel no bosung visit khlaiga aro 50 seated tongo class 3 থেকে class 8 পরিমানি আর hostel warden be malakya abu improve pa khainai oboga tini sini mo visit khaimani main purpose kai area development ni point of view no singoro visit khaimani inke je jinis no state government khlaina nango ar state government sing in written form no sing request khlainai letter sinai আর ADC যেটা মানো আপনার সঙ্গে ADC ও টাকা পাই আমবাই